Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of this dual IMX477 Raspberry Pi HQ camera, Arducam, whole bunch of stuff going on here, I guess. So I finally got it working. As you see, this is the current way that I have it set up. Actually, I had it set up right the first time in my previous video. Never let go of this joker. Let's tighten that up. There we go. But I got it working. So let's go over to the Pi. So what's going on? So I had to install. Alright, let's go back. Let's do the commands that I did. Well, it's not going to show you here. So let's go search and see what I did. Is this it? Yep. So I went to the actual website, and just to confirm it works with this camera. So I went down even further, and I went down to the documentation. Was it here? Maybe it was Utronics. YouTube. Where is it? Maybe it was actually in the GitHub source. Alright, so here it is. I had to do this. So it's wiring Pi library for changing GPIO pins through command line, and it has a library for C++, I believe, too. So that's why it needed to use that in order to work with this properly. So I installed this, restarted, and let's check out the results. So what I'm going to be using this for is a depth camera, and then trying to get HD depth quality photos, so that way I can post them on Facebook. That's where I want to lead down with this. Nothing cooler than looking at a photo that you can move around and actually see 3-dimension. But it runs about 15 to 20 frames. This A1, camera A, looks a bit choppy, and this one's really smooth. So I don't know why that is. It's probably the program that's running it. It's probably, I don't know. I haven't seen the code yet. I would say it's dedicating more loops to the B than it is the A. But I don't know. Haven't looked at it yet. What else? So far, it's pretty clear. That was pretty funny. Well, I need to screenshot that. I need to see it. Oh, that's pretty cool. I'm updating my YouTube stream to have that as the cover. Alright. Alright, well that concludes the update of this dual setup of two 12.3 megapixel high quality cameras for the Raspberry Pi. Yep, 12.3, 7.9 millimeter diagonal image size, I guess sensor size, 12-bit RAW, all Raspberry Pi computers, and a 200 millimeter ribbon. So if I ever need to measure something, I know how long this is. And this board that does the two cameras is the multi-camera for the duplexer, I believe is what it was called. Let's go back to what it was called. So where is it? It's this thing. Doubleplexer stereo module B2. It doesn't work with a touch screen. So it's supposed to work with a Pi 0 initially, but I guess they had a lot of requests for the Pi 4 because it has faster open CV processing, which is what you need for doing depth sensing and stuff like that. I don't know what resolution it's pumping these images out at, but I would say it's low because it has to run both cameras. So probably 640 by 480. But whenever I do the actual stills of items and of things, whenever I do the depth sensing stuff, it's going to be the 4K quality image. But that's it. A little glitch here and there.